Today we will see how to delete multiple contacts at once from our iPhone, and for those who don't know, when you go to delete a contact, it simply lets you do that, delete just one. For example, let's imagine I want to delete these three here, which are A, Table, AB, and AC. What happens if I want, for example, to start by selecting the first one to then select the other two and delete them? It won't allow it because there is no option to select here. The option doesn't exist. So what can we do? For this occasion, we are going to use two fingers like this. We are going to bring the two fingers together and we are going to point from the first contact we want to delete to the last one. For example, from Tepwebe to AB to AC. These three contacts I want to delete. So with the two fingers, I'm going to press on the first one and simply slide down and see that the three contacts are automatically selected. Now the only thing I have to do is press on one of these and the option to delete the three contacts appears, as you can see here. So I could delete the three contacts and that's it. I just press and it says delete contacts. Now you are probably wondering, but well, I don't want to delete three consecutive contacts, but for example, I want to delete this one from Alejandra, this one from Anna, this one from Laura. Unfortunately, we want to delete several contacts that are not consecutive. That is, they are not like we just saw where we put one after the other and select like that. But for example, we want to delete the first, the fifth, the sixth, and so on. So we have to take this other step, which is to log into iCloud. You can do this from a Windows device, also from a Mac. From a Mac, it is much easier. In fact, you should already have your users synchronized. You don't even have to install the iCloud application, just search for iCloud. So I'm going to leave the link in the description, and once you log in with your iCloud, the only thing you need to do is come down here to the left where it says contact and click on it. Now there is an option that many videos and people suggest, which is to create a new list and include all the contacts you want to delete in this list. Then you go up here to the right where it says select all contacts and then click delete all contacts. But this doesn't work because all it will do is delete the contacts from the list, but they will still be in the main list where it says all contacts. If you delete them from a secondary list, they will still exist here. So what you can do is use the cool features of Windows and Mac that should be on the iPhone itself and simply select, for example, this first contact that I want to delete and press the Control key on our Windows keyboard. And if you are on a Mac, the Command key, although it can also be the Control key, just try it. What needs to happen is that when you press Control and start selecting the contacts you want to choose, they will be highlighted in blue like this. So imagine that I want to remove this one from Anna, remove this one from Andres, also this one from Bo, and this one from Brazo Microfono. Then, once I have selected all the spaces, all the contacts, what I need to do is go to the top to these three dots and select delete contacts, and I will be able to delete all the contacts at random without needing to do this within the iPhone. You can also do this on the iPhone. You would need to search for iCloud and enter directly in desktop mode to allow it, but honestly, it is much more complex there. I recommend that you do it on a laptop, a portable device, a desktop PC, or a Mac if you have one because it is much easier. Simply delete the contacts, and since it is synchronized with our iPhone, it will also be managed there and will delete all the contacts we have selected here